Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to another question and answer session for MRCS exam. First of all, let's see the question. This is the question. Which muscle is responsible for causing flexion of distal interphalangeal joint of the ring finger? So it is direct question. We have to find out the distal interphalangeal joint of the ring finger. Flexion responsible of which muscle? So we have to find out a muscle which is responsible for distal interphalangeal joint movement. Here the options are flexor digitorum superficialis, lumbricals, palmar interossei, flexor digitorum profundus, and flexor digiti minimi brevis. So we have to find out one of the muscle. This muscle is responsible for this function. So first of all, here we can see these are different group of the joint. First of all, this is the metacarpal joint, and this is proximal phalanx, medial phalanx, and distal phalanx. And this is the metacarpophalangeal joint between the metacarpal bone and the proximal phalanx. And this is the proximal interphalangeal joint. It is a joint between the proximal and medial phalanx. And distal interphalangeal joint, here we can see this red mark, which is the distal interphalangeal joint, which is located between the medial phalanx and terminal phalanx or distal phalanx. So we have to find out a muscle which is responsible for flexion of this ring finger. Here we can see this is the ring finger. Actually, all of the four distal interphalangeal joint is flexion occurs by only one muscle, and this muscle is the flexor digitorum profunda. Here we can see this is the flexor digitorum profunda. We can see the flexor digitorum profunda. It divides into four parts, and on of every part it attached to the base of the distal phalanx. Here we can see this is the base of the distal phalanx, and it causes the flexion of the distal interphalangeal joint. Here in this picture also, this is also very clear. This is the distal interphalangeal joint here, and the flexion of distal interphalangeal joint is occurs by flexor digitorum profunda. And here actually showing the flexion of the proximal interphalangeal joint. Here we can see this is the proximal interphalangeal joint, and proximal interphalangeal joint flexion occurs by flexor digitorum superficialis, but the distal interphalangeal joint flexion occur by the flexor digitorum profundus muscle. So our answer is this: the flexor digitorum profundus. It attaches to the base of the distal phalanx and causes flexion of the distal interphalangeal joint of medial forefinger. Thank you all.